Peppa Pig's marble run is the biggest marble run in the world. Like this marble run. Check, look.
Wow.
A marble run is a pipe where the marble run will go all around. Mama, can you open it? Can you open it, please?
All right.
Ah, tubes. Marbles. Even more exciting things. Marbles.
You have to pick.
This will go. Hey, this is the wrong type of marble one. I need to break it. So, we need this spiral one. Look, Mama.
Yeah.
The spiral pipe. It will go all around the world. Check this out. It go all around the spiral pipe. See it? Then it goes inside. It goes in the pan and quickly it catches it.
Yeah, that's nice.
And that's not all. We can add some more bits to the marble one. This there bit. This another bit here. I am making the base first. Check this out, Diego. Keep looking, Diego. Now it goes in the hole. It goes down. Diego, it goes. Diego. Diego, so take video.
Where it will go now?
Down. Subscribers. Hello. Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
It's incredible. It's the biggest marble one in history.